is all our luggage. Ready, Khalil? Ready, baby? So our flight got rebooked at 5 p.m.
This is the last and final.
Sinong naiwan sa plane? Anong oras next flight natin?
Oh my God. 6 o'clock. Ay, 5:30?
5. Yeah. So ilang oras pa? Anong oras na? 1 o'clock. Ang dami pa naming time. Buti na lang ang dami kong dalang gatas. Kaya bumili kayo ng chips. Yeah.
That's so.
Yun. Ang bait-bait ng baby ko, oh. Tulog lang siya the whole time. We have a view of the monument to Marcy. Look how good the zoom settings. The new iPhone. Is that crazy? Ooh. Mabilis yung wifi mo?
Hi. Hi. Anga, you need to chew.
What do you have, Khalil?
I got a burrito taco.
Ooh.
Right here.
Yum. This is how business owner looks like while on vacation. Always on their phones. First airplane ride. Yay!
May pasyal si baby. Papasyal ka.
That's our plane. We are finally boarding after 1 million years.
Sana na-video mo siya kanina ba na humiga siya?
Humiga siya.
Humiga siya sa...
Baby na yan. Natan na baby na yan. Natan na baby. Finally, we're here at Tampa.
Here's Whataburger from Texas.
Yum!
The most delicious burger in the world. Namiss ko to. Gusto ko?
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
You look young for 42.
Oh, you look young daw for 42.
How old do you think, tita?
She looks like she's just early 30s.
Oh, pak! Ano ba yung car natin? Yung rental?
Pwede tayo mamili kahit ano.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Inspection.
Yeah. No, pinapakita niya kung ano yung mga sira.
Dance.
Yeah. Baka kasi masisi sa atin.
Sino ka daw nag-start?
Guess what?
What?
We're in Florida.
Yay! Tayo nakapag-vlog.
Gising na yan.
Ay, gising na.
Walang kasi.
Anong food natin? Ayan. Popeyes and Whataburger from Texas. Ginagawa mo dyan, Lane? What is that?
Eating Whataburger.
What do you think about the Whataburger, Beb?
Lasong burger.
Kakain na kami.
Ikaw, Lane.
Sex tayo.
What do you think about the Whataburger?
Okay? It's Whata Burger.
Yeah, sex tayo mamaya.
It's like Whata.
Parang Andre lang.
Parang yung ilan mo yung mga napang-asawa.
Ay, it's a video. It's a video. It's a video. Sleepover.
Beach. First time sa beach. First time.
Hi, Elayda.
First time sa beach.
Hello. Sand. Yeah. This is the Treasure Island Beach in St. Petersburg, Florida. The water is so clear. And the sand is so white. Ganda ng tubig. It's not even the clear water yet. It's part though. But clear water. But the good thing about this beach is not crowded. Yan o. Diba? Hindi crowded. Very chill.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, love. Hug, Tito. Hug, Tito. Hug.
Oh, eat the breakfast. Oh, there's your food. Wow, what's your breakfast?
What are you eating, Cleo?
Pancake.
Oh, eggs. Yeah, we're eating eggs.
Oh, waffle.
And waffles. Birthday niyan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Birthday to Nisa! It's my birthday. Sabi mo, it's my birthday.
Yeah.
And this is a nice place that we're
Are you gonna go swimming later?
Yeah.
Yeah? Chug!
Ice coffee.
Ice coffee.
Mga boy, ikaw naman girl.
Si Ayan magkaka-girl. Ay, si Ron sana magka-girl.
There's a chance girl yun sa kanya.
Feeling ko girl.
This is my baby. This is my baby girl.
Eh?
Umutot! Umutot ka! Sabi,
Wisit ka.
Akala ko si Lloyd. Hoy, for swimming.
Gigising lang.
For swimming. Huwag kang tatae dun ha.
Hindi, meron ko siyang diaper.
Huwag kang tatae ha.
Bukas ng umaga sa beach, pwede na siya.
Hindi?
Maaga.
Hoy. Hoy.
Model lang ni Eloida yung swimsuit niya. From Tita Nessa. Look at the backless.
Bucky.
Kami dalawa.
Bucky. Hi, Anjay. Hello, Anjay. Oh, go to Eloida. Go swim to Eloida.
Isang Andre din to.
Swim to Eloida.
Mahilig mag-swim.
Swim to baby. Say hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby.
Hello. Kiss mo. Kiss. Aww. One more time. Kiss. Aww. Yay. Hug. Group hug. Dumura naman to. Group hug. Okay. Okay, yeah. 2, 1. Say cheese. Cheese.
2, go.
I can see you. Do you want some ice cream or cake?
Ice cream.
Ice cream talaga. Ikaw, Khalil, ice cream or cake?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
It really doesn't seem all that important. If you want the real answer to that question, then I suppose you're gonna have to ask Joshimane's.
Room.
Anong in-order nyo, Nessa?
Ako nag-gyro ko.
Okay.
May mga buy one take one, tas kayo, parehas na kayo nung ano.
Uber Eats.
O, parang wrap. Sige, wrap.
Okay.
Ay, gusto mo ba rice or ano?
Wrap.
O
Wrap.
Order niyo.
O wrap?
Wrap.
Okay.
No jumping. No jumping. See you tomorrow. See you in the next vlog. Please like and subscribe.